A 58-year-old man, Ishaks Rajoo, has recently been issued a conditional warning by the Singaporean authorities for allegedly spreading false statements of fact and failing to comply with directives issued under the Protection from Online Falsehoods and Manipulation Act, commonly known as POFMA. Ishhaq is well known for his regular commentary on social affairs through his TikTok account, where he often discusses various social and political issues in Singapore. Between July and August 2023, Ishhaq published 4 videos on TikTok that have now come under scrutiny. These videos reportedly contained falsehoods related to critical topics such as voting secrecy, Central Provident Fund, CPF, policies, and Housing and Development Board, HDB, affordability. According to the POFMA office, the falsehoods regarding voting secrecy were particularly concerning as they were based on hearsay, lacking any supporting evidence or credible sources. Furthermore, the POFMA office pointed out that Ishhaq had not taken the time to consult publicly available information on the CPF Board and Ministry of Manpower websites before posting his inaccuracies regarding CPF policies and HDB affordability. These issues are highly sensitive in Singapore, and misinformation can lead to significant public confusion and unrest. Under POFMA, falsehoods are typically addressed through correction directions. These require recipients to place a notice next to the original post with a link to the government's clarification. This method allows the public to compare the original post with the factual correction directly. Ishhaq was issued such correction directions but did not fully comply with them. The POFMA office has stated that he failed to put up the required correction notices by the stipulated deadline. Additionally, Ishhaq changed his TikTok account handle, making the correction notices inaccessible to viewers, thereby further violating the POFMA directives. Given the gravity of the situation, the authorities reviewed the facts and circumstances surrounding Ishhaq's actions. They decided to issue a 24-month conditional warning for offenses under Sections 7 and 15 of POFMA. This warning means that if Ishhaq reoffends during this period, he could face prosecution for the original crime. An offense under Section 7 of POFMA carries a fine of up to $50,000, an imprisonment term of up to 5 years, or both. An offense under Section 15 carries a fine of up to $20,000, an imprisonment term of up to 1 year, or both. In response to the conditional warning, Ishhaq expressed his frustration in an interview with Gutsy. He questioned the fairness of the process, stating, "A minister decides what should be POFMA about my questioning the policies of the government? The Singapore mainstream media plasters my name on their report and says I have been POFMA for spreading fake information without a trial or even an interview. So, I am ruled guilty even before hearing my reasoning. Is this democracy?" It's worth noting that this is not the first time Ishhaq has found himself in the crosshairs of Singaporean authorities. He was previously subjected to an investigation by the Singapore police for alleged criminal defamation. This investigation was sparked by a video he produced concerning the presidential election, where he posed a controversial question to Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong regarding the appointment of the Attorney General. Ishhaq's outspoken nature and willingness to question authority have undoubtedly made him a figure of interest in Singapore's tightly controlled media landscape. What are your thoughts on this situation? Do you think Ishaks Rajoo was treated fairly, or do you believe the authorities overstepped their bounds? We'd love to hear your opinions, so please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more detailed news coverage. This is 2230, where we bring you the news that matters.